Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you the episode 2 for the best trending niches that I found. So guys, before start this video, make sure share this video. So guys, let's get started. The first niche that I have, guys, this you have a go-to-minute interview. This is the political niche sayings. Guys, you can make a design with this niche and you can make more money. As you can see here, the niche I did last night, 1 February, this already have BSR 200, and this is a good niche, guys. The second niche that I have, guys, uh, make American blonde again, and this is a great niche. You can start to make money. This is with 244 PSR. This is the fun and sarcastic design, guys, as you can see here. Testing buys with testing design. The third niche, guys, that I have, it's love them first, teach them second teachers, and this is about Valentine's Day, guys. The price is $50 with 186 BSR, very low, guys, BSR. So guys, you can make a design about this one, guys, and you can make a sales, make something different, guys. And the last niche, guys, I have, this is I don't really care Margaret. It is funny women's Nasiban. This is good niche, guys, as you can see here. This come with US 10 with Macedon, and this is the price, guys, and this is the PSR for $544. Sorry, 544, guys. This is added on 28 January 2025. This is make estimated 6 sales. So guys, this is a good opportunity to make sales with this niche. I hope, guys, this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.